let's get to the making of this floral earring. To make this floral earring, we need a few tools. We need a cutter, we need a round nose plier, we need a flat nose plier. Now coming over to the materials, we need a few head pins, 4 of them. Then we need a few brass beads, copper color. We need 6 of them. We need bead caps like this one. This is a brass filigree one. We need earring hooks, this one. We need 2 eye pins. We need floral beads, these kind. This is an acrylic one. And then we need a few of these tear-shaped crystal bead. I have taken 1 in maroon, 2 in maroon and 2 red. So let's make this. To make the floral earring, first we need to take our head pins. We need to cut 2 of them a little smaller than the other one. This one will cut it a little more bigger. So if you see, I've cut this in this size and I'm cutting this in this size. And then we need to put the crystal bead, the red one, onto the bigger head pins, and then we are putting the copper bead. Then by the end of it, grab it, make a 90-degree angle and then turn twice. Yeah, you get a nice loop. Similarly, take the other one, make a 90-degree angle and make a loop. So these both will be of same size, as you can see. Now take the shorter ones, put in the darker color bead and the copper bead. Grab this much, make a 90-degree angle and just to make a loop. Similarly, take the other one, put the bead in, put the brass bead, grab here, make a 90-degree angle, to correctly make these loops. I have taught the technique in the first video. Please refer to that. Now this part of it is done. Now what you need to do is take your eye pin, open it towards you, put one of this bigger one and one of the smaller one into it and close this away from you. It will look like this. The next thing what you need to do is put your floral bead. Actually, this way it will be better. First put your floral inside the bead cap and see that all these are, attached nicely and well. If there is any kind of bend or something, you need to rectify them now. After that, what you need to do is just put this see that it is nice and loose enough. Hold the end of the entire thing, just bend it down 90 degree and look this. Get a nice floral here. Now all that you have to do is put your hook inside and your floral earring is done. Here's the one which I've made in the similar way, and you have a lovely pair of large floral filigree earrings.